So this one Riyadh again same. So we release order, okay? We create order or release order, okay?
Okay.
Order header, search. So this one order type, damage. We're looking damage. So since we release and we have order already, this one order number. So this one, Control C, go to wave template, select wave template, down and look damage, click damage, search this one, Control V, okay, after Control V, save, created, save. So now he save, back, search. So we put return since we return to Jida, RET means return, search, and then click damage this one and run wave, click it again and okay. So we have task number, Control C, okay. Then go wave inquiry, search again, clear, put wave inquiry here, search. Now he coming, okay, processing. Wait, but then drag this one. 5 minutes or to 10 minutes. This one already processing. After the processing, a number of allocated number come here and the LPN number. Then what you do is only refresh this. Okay? Thank you.